Well, thank you very much, everyone. Shane Frost from Green Blue Urban. Our purpose is to create healthy urban spaces in harmony with nature. We do that through integration of trees in urban environments and SUDS features, and then a range of environmentally friendly off-grid solutions and basically focusing on improving environments for everyone who lives, works and plays in our urban areas. Our focus is very much around meeting environmental goals, mitigating climate change, biodiversity, and ultimately bringing a return on investment as well from a monetary point of view. What underpins what we're really all about is really around care and support, and our whole focus is around supporting a wide range of disciplines to achieve healthy urban spaces which really benefit everybody. And we support a wide range of different professions. It's great to see so many here. Often get people saying, well, a tree will lift up the paving, or it drops leaves, or we can't adopt it because it's going to cause problems for maintenance in the future. We love to sit around the table with these differing points of view being tabled, and we've got solutions which over the past 30 years we've been able to implement to bridge all of those gaps. So we're meeting with engineering demands, but we're also improving the environment at the same time and improving our environments at the same time. So as I say, Green Blue Urban is celebrating its 30th anniversary this year. 30 years in business, started with a very humble irrigation system which helped trees to survive drought stress. As a result of that, we found that actually trees were doing better, but breaking up paving. So we needed to manage the pavements, or manage the routes so that that didn't happen. Manage the routes so that services and utilities are not damaged. So we had route management systems introduced. And then the roots needed somewhere to go. If we look at a tree, its roots will spread out 3 to 5 times the size of the canopy. So those roots need somewhere to go. So we introduced a cellular support system that supports our paving and structures, but is filled with a good quality soil, so the tree can really do maximise its potential as quickly as possible. And as a result of that, we're able to guarantee trees for more than 15 years now, and that's a living thing. We can guarantee in urban environments that the tree will be living and thriving and bringing benefits in 15 years' time. But that's not where we stop. We're looking for future generations. So we're looking to provide trees which are going to be supporting and improving the environment for future generations. Sorry. We just very recently acquired the actual manufacturing facilities for our products, which is just on the border of Kent, just into East Sussex. And we mould all of our products in Sussex. You're very welcome to come and see us at any time. We love to see people who are interested in our goals of improving urban environments. So we manufacture all of our products from recycled and recyclable materials, and that keeps carbon footprint to an absolute minimum. Sorry. We've got a number of projects in Kent. This one here is in Tunbridge Wells, and this is only actually fairly recently been installed, so the trees are not looking their best yet, but we are absolutely confident with the below ground provision that they will do, as have so many schemes of ours across the whole country. We also have this project in Kent as well, St Peter's Village, and again, this is planning for the future. Another area that we focus on very, very closely is on SUDS, and with an uncompacted good quality soil volume, what we can do is actually take our water runoff via that soil profile, which cleans and slows the water flow, preventing contaminants from reaching our drainage system, also preventing peak flows on drainage systems. This scheme in Keighley, quite a long way up the country, takes a runoff from 4 different lanes of highway and cleans the water. All of that water is discharged straight into groundwater, so there's no need for onward drainage systems. We've also successfully implemented the same types of solutions as part of the Cool Town scheme in Margate, and we're monitoring this actively to see how the outflows of the system are running as far as water volume is concerned. But again, every tree here has meant that there's less water entering our drainage network, and this is just upstream from George V Park, which many of you will be familiar with. We introduced off-grid street lighting as part of our smart space range. which is another great solution. No wiring required, completely off-grid and sustainable as a solution. And then our green credentials, and I think it's worth touching on the fact that all of our products are manufactured from recycled materials. They're also recyclable as well. So we often get the question of plastics raised, and our whole focus is very much around a circular economy, making sure that the material can be reused. Focused on EV charging, also on mitigating carbon through our implementations, and then our premises at the bottom right, we've been very focused on solar and reusing water on the site as well. So we're very focused on looking after the environment and increasing biodiversity. So with that, I'd like to thank everyone very much for their time. We are at the back of the hall, and we'd love to have a conversation with anyone who is interested in our solutions and what we can offer to support. Thank you very much.